plus 20x plus 6. On the right side, it's going to be a times x plus 1 squared plus b. One of these cancels, so it's going to be x times x plus 1 plus c times x plus 1 canceled, squares cancel, so you're going to end up with multiplied by x. Let's rewrite this again. 5x squared plus 20x plus 6 is equal to, we're going to distribute this out. A times x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus bx squared plus bx plus cx. Distribute this out again, you end up with ax squared plus 2ax plus a plus bx squared plus bx plus cx. We're going to group them again. I'm going to use my Sharpies this time. That got a little bit tricky. So that's going to be x squared times a plus b. The second factor is going to be 2ax, bx, and the cx plus x. I'm going to factor that out. You get 2a plus b plus c. And the last one, I have a constant right there. That's going to be plus a. And let's do this again. I'm going to use pink this time. Because you have an x squared here, the coefficient is 5. Excuse me, I have to put imprint. So that has to equal 5 for the coefficient. I'm going to use purple here. Coefficient of the linear term is 20. So this has to equal 20. And of course, the last part, the blue, the constant right over here is plus 6. So that has to equal 6. Again, we do the same process all over again. We end up with a plus b equals 5. 2a plus b plus c has to equal 2. And of course, a has to equal 6. We found one of our values. A is 6. Plug it back in. You get 6. I'm going to use this equation right here. Plus b has to equal 5. Subtract the 6. B has to equal -1. Let's see if I got it so far. So far, so good. The third equation, we have to find the value of c. We have my a and b. So 2 times 6 plus -1 plus c has to equal 2. That's 12 minus 1 is 11. Is that right? Let me see. I have 6 over x, okay, and then b is -1. Let's look at our c value. This is positive 9. So 2a, this is supposed to be 2, it's supposed to be 20. Be very careful. 20, not 2. Oops. So it should have been 20 right over here. It's going to be 12 minus 1 is 11. Subtract 11, that gets rid of these. C has to equal 9. So our equation, I'm going to put this out, so pause it if you want. A equals 6, B equals -1, C equals 9. The equation becomes, and this is the equation I'm going to use right at the beginning. This one right over here. So that becomes 6 over x minus 1 over x plus 1. And we'll put the minus in front. Plus 9 all over x plus 1 quantity squared. And we're done. How are we doing on time? Okay, I'm going to do one extra work. Check your work, please. CYW. That's going to be a little bit easier. We're going to go from a partial fraction to a single fraction. So let's check our work. Let's rewrite the equation. 6 all over x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 9 all over x plus 1 funny squared. Okay. What we're going to do is, since the LCD is equal to x times x plus 1 squared, it's x times x plus 1 times x plus 1 squared. I'm going to multiply this by x plus 1 squared, multiply this by x times x plus 1, multiply by x. I'm going to do it to the numerator and the denominator. And x times x plus 1 squared, that's the least common denominator. So on the numerator, I'm going to have 6 times x plus 1 squared minus x times x plus 1 plus 9x all over x times x plus 1 funny squared. So I put this under the common denominator into one single fraction here. 6 times x plus 1 squared minus 1 times x plus 1 minus 9x. I'm going to distribute this out. That becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by 6. That ends up with nice and colorful markers for you. 6x squared plus 12x plus 6 minus x squared minus x minus 9x all over the common denominator. We're going to add like terms. 6x squared minus x squared is 5x squared. There it is right there. 12x minus x is 11x. Minus 9x is plus 2x. Sorry, what is it? Let's do this out. Oops. Made a simple little error here. Looking at it, it's going to be a plus here, it's going to be a plus here. So 6x minus, 12x minus x, 11x plus 9x is plus 20x. That's what we should have gotten way at the beginning right over here. So I'm actually referencing this as we go along. And then plus 6 all over x times x plus 1 funny squared. If you want to distribute this out, that becomes x times x squared plus 2x plus 1, x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. So our final is 5x squared plus 20x plus 6 all over x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. Did it check out? Let's look at it. 5x squared plus 20x plus 6 all over x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. It takes a lot of persistence, a little bit of work, lots of algebraic manipulations, but if you work at it, go slow, you should be able to get it right. Oh, we checked it because it worked out great. Good luck, study hard, have fun.